Hi, so in this video I'll show you how to use an iPad as an extended monitor for both Windows and Apple Macs.
So the first thing you gotta do is make sure your iPad and Mac are up to date and are compatible and appear in this list I'm showing you. Next, you're going to the iPad and search for Handoff. It might not appear or might appear on the search bar. If it doesn't, you just gotta go into General and then go to AirPlay Continuity and make sure that Handoff is on. Then on the Mac, you just go to the settings menu, just screen mirroring until it will appear the iPad under. And now you have screen share turned on. If you want to change any settings on the screen sharing, you have to go to the settings and go to displays, and there you'll have the main settings for the Apple Sidecar.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and as always, see you in the next one.